Hi guys. Hey, wanted to show you something really cool I got. My sprint car that one of my sprint cars I've got was made off a Bandit, and always had problems keeping the battery in since I did the mid-engine modification to it. So I was online the other day and I saw a company called Factory Works that makes all kinds of reproduction and different parts for RC cars. Well, they had stuff for the Bandit, for the RC10, different things like that. So I seen this battery plate, and I did have to cut a little bit of it off to make it work for what I want to do. Which actually I'm still gonna have to do some work to it. Because where the battery plugs in, it's gonna have to get cut out a little bit on each side, but no big deal. But yeah, Factory Works, pretty neat stuff. Factoryworks.com. Pretty cool stuff, and it was neat too because it comes with that battery strap. Well, it also had stickers, so stickers were perfect size for the side of the race car. So pretty cool. But yeah, just doing some much needed maintenance to this thing. Get the tires cleaned up, going through and cleaning up stuff in there, and mounting this battery setup, so that'll be done, and I won't have to worry about the battery popping out or popping loose. I had Velcro in there, and it was just a pain in the ass because it kept popping the Velcro, the sticky side off the tub. So that's what happens when you crash. But yeah, guys, I mean, these guys have really got some cool stuff. I didn't even know they existed until here recently. I was looking for just Traxxas slash Bandit battery strap to see if there was anything bigger than what the factory thing was, just went across, and this thing popped up. So I mean, it's very well made. It's kind of like a fiberglass or I don't know, something, but it's pretty stout. And like I said, I ended up having to cut the one end of it off a little bit, but I'm still going to have to trim out a little just to make the battery wires, connect in. But yeah, very cool. Definitely check them out, guys. Factory Works. And we'll see you from there. And like I said, just plugging away this thing. I have been running the heck out of it, and man, has it been a lot of fun. I'll tell you. Oh my gosh, this thing, Jamie and I've been running sprints like crazy lately, and yeah, I'll tell you, a lot of fun. But well, anyway, guys, I hope you're all doing good, and take care. We'll see you later.